All right, we're doing windshield repair. This is Mobile Glass. We are in north central Austin and working on a Mazda 3. As you see here, got kind of a bullseye style crack. And we're going to drill out just the center, right where it impacted, with a Dremel drill, as you can see right here. And we have a glass bit, very small bit on there, and drill right through the center. And then I'll set up my bridge assembly, and that will allow us to force the liquid resin right into the damaged area. Right now I'm kind of wasting a little bit of time here trying to allow the car to cool down. It was parked directly in the sunlight. Tip, if you can park in the shade, it does increase the chance of it spreading when we work on it. So don't want the temperature to be too hot or too cold. And I'll be right back. I'll show it when we get the bridges set up here on here. Okay, you can see I have the bridge set up. We have a suction cup here that's going to hold the bridge to the surface of the windshield. And then I'll tighten the stabilizer arm up, just finger tight, not too much. And then I'll set up the barrel, the injector, right over the top of the hole. And I'll tighten that up to the glass, just finger tight again. This other piece is not set up yet. This is the plunger. We'll use that after we inject the resin. So I'll put a few drops of the resin right here in the barrel, put the plunger on top, and force that into the crack. Now, because we're in direct sunlight, I've got some UV tape, and I'll lay this UV tape around the area so that the sun does not cure it before it enters into the entirety of the damage. I also have a hat, so I'll kind of cheat here, and I'll use my hat to cover it up as well. We'll be back and I'll show you that. All right, now that we have the resin and the plunger forcing the resin into damaged area, we're just allowing the sunlight to cure that resin. It's going to harden up. We'll leave that for 5 minutes. Then I'll remove the bridge assembly, and I'll use a different kind of resin, a little higher viscosity. This is going to be a pit resin, specifically designed, wrong one, to hold up against the elements and so forth. So we'll put that right on the surface of the glass. That way there's no streaking when it rains or any kind of water on the glass. And we're using our windshield wipers. We get those streaks because the surface is not nice and smooth. So we'll put that on there along with some pit polish, because that area where the resin's not exactly as clear as the glass. So this pit polish here is pretty good at helping the spot right where the resin is to look a little bit clearer. And just a professional job, that's how you do it. So we'll be right back with that.